Hey Jess, it's Megan, and I'm making my video for your week 1 of the Christmas Losers Challenge. I'm sorry I look like such a mess. I have been sick all week. It's been really awful, and I'm just glad that I got this video up in time because I really still want to be a part of the challenge. So, if you'll just bear with my awful looks and my cracky voice, and I'll just get through this very quickly. When I weighed myself this morning, I was 227.6, and I'll put a picture of the scale here. I'm actually really happy with that number because even though it's about 4.6 pounds up from my lowest weight recorded on YouTube, I hit 229 a couple of days ago, so it's actually gone down, and I'm really happy about that. As far as your stipulations for this week in this video, I made my my little card. And I actually think this is a really good idea. I'm probably going to redo it because this one's kind of plain and maybe make it really cute and just something that I like to keep with me that I kind of like put some time into. My number one thing is just I want to feel confident. I don't want to be limited by my weight. I don't want that to be a factor in the things that I can and cannot do. So that's one that's really important to me that I wanted to share. As far as things that I did this past week to get me further to my goal, since I was sick, I did not go work out. I could not have gotten through it. But the thing I did do is drink a lot of water. I have one green bottle, and it holds like 20 ounces, and I try to get 6 of those in a day. Usually I get around 5, which is still 100 ounces of water, which is really great, especially since I'm sick. That's the best thing I can do for my body right now. So I'm sorry this video is late, and it's probably not up to everyone else's standards. I'm really sorry, but next week's will be better, and I'm looking forward to your video on Monday. Bye.